Did you know that a low vitamin D level can affect your heart health? Research has shown that insufficient levels of vitamin D are associated with various cardiovascular issues such as high blood pressure, arterial damage, and congestive heart failure. Naturally, vitamin D is obtained from sunlight and foods such as mushrooms and vitamin D fortified foods, but even in sunny areas, most people test low. Those with darker skin are especially at risk for vitamin D deficiency as the skin pigment blocks sunlight from making vitamin D in the skin. Don't leave your heart health to chance. Prioritize your vitamin D intake today. Have you ever considered the power of nitrates in promoting heart health? These compounds, found in certain medications for angina, also exist naturally in foods like arugula, lettuce, rhubarb, beets, and spinach. When consumed, enzymes in our mouths convert these nitrates into nitrites, which then become nitric oxide in the stomach. Nitric oxide is crucial for artery health, preventing strokes and heart attacks. Research shows that nitrate-rich meals can significantly lower blood pressure, rivaling the effects of prescription drugs. So, whip up a nitrate-packed salad with greens like arugula, Swiss chard, kale, or spinach, and give your heart a boost. Did you know that herbs and spices hold the key to a healthier heart? Herbs and spices aren't just flavor boosters, they're nature's medicine cabinet. Packed with protective compounds, they shield our cells from diseases. Take garlic, for instance, known for improving cholesterol and blood pressure. Turmeric, with its curcumin content, works wonders for cholesterol and blood sugar. Ginger acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, while cinnamon helps with blood flow and sugar levels. Even coriander has been shown to lower cholesterol. And these are just the tip of the iceberg. Explore a world of healing spices like cloves, allspice, nutmeg, and more to keep your heart happy and healthy. Have you ever thought how your favorite fast foods impact your body? While bread, bagels, crackers, pizza, and pasta, but these foods can affect your body like candy. White pasta, white rice, and white bread are just like sugar. Because their fiber has been removed, the body absorbs these nutrient-deficient foods too rapidly. They elevate blood glucose levels and promote fat production in the liver, leading to weight gain and heart disease risk. Unlike whole fruits, which contain fiber and nutrients to moderate glucose absorption, concentrated sweeteners lack these components. Whole fruits do not expose you to enough fructose to trigger fat storage unless you consume lots of fruit juice or dried fruits. Are saturated fats, prevalent in red meat and dairy, posing a dual threat to both heart health and cancer risk. Studies associated saturated fat intake to breast cancer, with red meat being particularly linked. Moreover, diets high in saturated fats promote visceral fat storage, contributing to obesity-related health issues like diabetes and heart disease. Animal products like red meat contain compounds like arachidonic acid and promote inflammation, further elevating cancer risk. Additionally, they produce pro-inflammatory compounds like TMAO, exacerbating chronic inflammation linked to cardiovascular disease and cancer. It's clear that reducing intake of saturated fats from animal sources is crucial for overall health and disease prevention. Ready to uncover just how strong the connection between red meat consumption and cardiovascular disease truly is? Studies, including the Nurses' Health Study, link both full-fat dairy and red meat to increased heart disease risk. Replacing red meat with nuts can significantly reduce coronary artery disease risk. Additionally, red meat intake is linked to an increased risk of stroke and colon cancer. Full-fat dairy, another significant source of saturated fat, also raises cholesterol levels and is associated with prostate and ovarian cancers. To prevent and reverse cardiovascular disease, focus on consuming foods with positive benefits while avoiding negative influences, as all dietary factors contribute cumulatively to health outcomes. Have you ever pondered whether reducing cholesterol levels alone could significantly extend lifespan? The fact is, even slightly higher cholesterol levels continued for many years can damage a person's heart and increase risk of premature death. Because a high cholesterol level indicates an unhealthy dietary pattern, it does not automatically mean that drugs designed to lower cholesterol will lessen mortality in such people, because they still are consuming the unhealthy diet. In addition, we don't really know all of the negative effects that will accumulate from medications taken throughout most of a person's adult life. Are eggs truly harmless when it comes to cholesterol and health risks? Eggs are a confusing and difficult food to analyze because they are very high in cholesterol. Recent studies reveal a concerning trend. Increased egg consumption correlates with a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases, particularly among individuals with diabetes. For example, a meta-analysis reported a 54% higher risk of coronary artery disease among people with diabetes who consumed more eggs. In similar to other animal products, eggs are not without risk, and a light food are not recommended to people who are overweight, are diabetic, or have heart disease.